Hello friends, welcome to our channel Brain Alive. In this video, we will discuss PN diode clamping circuits. First, we should know what is clamping. It is the process of introducing a DC level into an AC signal. And the clamping circuits places either the positive or the negative peak of a signal at desired level. We have three types of clamping circuits. First one is positive clamper, negative clamper and biased clamper. First, we will discuss positive clamper. This is the circuit of positive clamper. At the input of this circuit, we will apply this sinusoidal wave. We can see at the output, there is a upward shift. Means this wave shift to in upward direction, in positive direction. So this is called positive clamper. We have introduced DC voltage up to Vm. This is the DC voltage. So now the negative peak of the input signal touches the x-axis, so it is shifted by Vm. To have the same output waveform as of the input signal, we should have this RC time constant should be very high. Now we will analyze this positive clamper circuit. This is the input signal. This blue wave shows the input signal and this red wave shows the output signal. Now during positive half cycle, this terminal is positive and this terminal is negative. So positive terminal is connected to N side and negative terminal is connected to P side. So this diode is reversed bias. So the equivalent circuit will look like this one. In this case, as this side is positive and this side is negative, so the current flow in this direction. As this RC time constant is very high, this is RC time constant is much greater than 10 times of this time period of this input signal 0 to 2 pi 0 to 2t. So as it is very high, so it will not be fully charged because it requires much more time to be fully charged. So at the output we will have the same waveform as the input. So at the output we will have the same waveform during positive half cycle. The output will be this one. Now during negative half cycle, this terminal is negative and this terminal is positive. So in this case, this diode will be forward bias because negative is connected to N region and positive is connected to P region. So it will be forward bias and it will act like a closed switch. So the equivalent circuit will look like this one. This is negative and this is positive. Now the current will flow. The diode will heavily conduct and the current will flow in this direction. When the negative peak of the input signal is reached, this is the negative peak of the input signal. So up to this one, this diode is forward bias and this capacitor will charge up to Vm, maximum voltage. This capacitor will charge up to Vm with this polarity. This plate will be positively charged and this plate will be negatively charged. And here, because the voltage at the input is minus Vm, so the here voltage will be equals to minus Vm. Now at this point of time, the output at this point of time will be equals to this plus this, minus Vm plus Vm. We can find it out by using KVL. So this will be equals to 0 volt. So at the output here up to this one, from T to this one, this point of time, here the output is 0. This is 0. So the output will be 0. The waveform will look like this one here, from this to this one. Now beyond negative peak during this period, the diode will be reversed bias. Diode will be reversed bias because at this one, as the capacitor is charged with Vm, here the capacitor is charged with Vm with this polarity. So the negative region means cathode of the diode will sees plus Vm voltage, means this voltage, here the voltage is more than this voltage. Here the voltage is plus Vm. So this diode will be reversed bias for this period of time. So the diode will act as open circuit and the equivalent circuit will look like this one. So the voltage, so the polarity here is minus and here is plus, and this is plus and this is minus, and this is charge up to Vm in this case. Now, so at this point of time the input voltage 0, at time 2t the input is 0 volt. So the output voltage will be equals to V output will be equals to 0 plus Vm. So the output will be equals to up to Vm. Here the voltage from this point to this point. So at this point of time the wave up to this one, up to Vm. Again, during positive half cycle means with this cycle, during positive half cycle this terminal is positive and this terminal is negative. This terminal is negative. So this diode is reversed bias. So the equivalent circuit will look like this one. So the equivalent circuit will be this one. Now voltage here is, because it is during positive half cycle, this is positive and this is negative, so the voltage is maximum voltage equals to Vm. Now we will find output voltage by applying KVL in this circuit, in this loop. So output voltage will be equals to, as these two voltages are in series, so they will be added up. So the output voltage will be equals to Vm plus Vm equals to 2Vm. Now our waveform will goes to 2Vm. Now output waveform will, from here it will goes to this one. Now again, during negative half cycle this terminal is negative and this terminal is positive, so the diode is forward bias up to negative peak of the input signal. So the equivalent circuit will look like this. As the voltage is negative peak, so here the voltage will be minus Vm, and this capacitor will be charged up to Vm. So the output voltage will be equals to 0 at this point of time, up at negative peak. So the output will be 0 here. This output waveform shows because it touches the axis, so it is 0. Beyond this peak, this diode gets reversed bias. So the equivalent circuit will look like this one. So the polarity here is minus and here is plus, and this at this point of time, during this time at 40, here the input voltage is 0, so here 0. So the output voltage will be equals to 0 plus Vm equals to Vm. So the output voltage is up to Vm. So now the voltage, this output waveform goes from 0 to Vm. Again, during positive half cycle this wave will be up to 2Vm. So the cycle continues. The overall steady state response starts from here. So the overall waveform or the overall steady state response of this positive clamper will be this one. So the output waveform will look like this one. This is the overall steady state response of the positive clamper. I hope you got the positive clamper concept clearly. If you like the video, please hit the like button and subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching the video.